Hi, my name is Mateusz Sadensky, and I work as a technical support engineer at EBS. In this tutorial, I will present the Universal Security Platform, a joint creation of EBS and Alarm.com engineers. This solution integrates EBS communicators with the Alarm.com platform so that one can upgrade your legacy alarm panels quickly, easily, and cost-effectively by providing access to Alarm.com, the world's #1 smart home security platform. As a result, you will be able not only to receive events from the alarm panel and wirelessly transmit them to the monitoring station, but also to arm and disarm the alarm system via the Alarm.com mobile application, which is dedicated to end users. I will walk you through the complete process of connecting and configuring the AUC, the Universal Alarm.com communicator, model LX30B, with a third-party alarm panel. Currently, we are integrated with most alarm systems available on the market. For the purposes of this video, I have selected the DS-C Power series. Before installing the AUC device, a new Alarm.com client account must be created. We recommend creating the account prior to installation. This ensures that the AUC is activated well in advance, which significantly reduces the time one needs to spend on site with the customer. To create an account, we will use dedicated software. One should choose the application based on the type of device. For personal computers, it is most convenient to configure the account via a web browser using the partner portal. If you use a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet, it is advisable to opt for the mobile application. Let's start by creating a new client account. To log into the partner portal, enter alarm.com/dealer in your browser's address bar and press enter. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, select the Create Client tab to begin account creation. Choose the account type, select Security System, and then click Next. Now enter the client's information. For property type, choose Apartment. For installation type, you can leave it as Professional Installation. Then enter the client's first name, last name, email address, which is important since this is where the activation link will be sent to, and the client's phone number. You can also set the language preferences here, that is, the language your client uses. Enter the username. The username must be unique and will also serve as the login to the Alarm.com platform. Enter the client's address. After all data has been entered, click Next. Next, proceed to the Operational Information and Registrations tab. This is an optional step that can be skipped. Now enter the information about the system, that is the 15-digit email number. You can find the email number on the cardboard box or on the sticker attached to the device's printed circuit board. Verify whether the data is correct. As you can see, the system has detected the device model. Now select the manufacturer of the alarm panel to which the communicator will be connected, as well as the model. Enter the communicator's phone number. This is the same phone number that you entered into the alarm panel. After entering all the data, click Next. Now proceed to the selection of the appropriate service package. Because we will be using an EBS communicator, choose Basic EBS in the Basic Package tab. In addition, the client wishes to expand the system with one camera. Choose Video Pro with Analytics and then click Next. In the Alarm Monitoring Station Forwarding tab, select the monitoring station to which alarms will be forwarded and enter the client's unique account number. After entering the data, click Next. Once all data has been entered, a Summary tab will appear. At this point, verify whether all entered data is correct. If everything is in order, click the Create Account button. As you can see, the process of creating the client account has been successfully completed. You can now send the welcome letter by email. Please note that the client will only be able to log into their system once the EBS communicator establishes connection with the Alarm.com cloud. Now you can proceed to the hardware installation. Before starting it, however, the alarm panel must be configured. One of the inputs should be programmed as a key switch. We recommend a momentary key switch, and an output should be programmed as the system status. For the transmission of DTMF data, enter the phone number. This does not have to be a real number. It only needs to match the one previously entered during account configuration, e.g. 6.5, the property code, e.g. 1234, and the event code protocol, e.g. contactable.